The skeletal system also has a number of anaerobic adaptations that occur due to training. One change that can be seen is due to osteoblasts and the remodeling of the bone, which is stimulated due to the increase of strength of our bones. Osteoblasts are used once the osteoclasts have removed parts of the elder bones. They work to lay minerals and collagen in the parts of the bone that are being removed, before becoming bone cells helping to form a new bone. Due to this, there is an increased uptake in minerals such as calcium, which allows the bone to become more stronger. This may be a problem, as the health condition osteoporosis is associated with this. If the athlete has weak bones, so the athlete must be careful not to overtrain. Tendons also adapt due to exercise, in order to be able to keep up with the high force of the muscle as it gains strength to stop injury. It does this through the use of the protein collagen, which is inside the tissue and helps with the body's flexibility. In addition, it also repairs micro tears caused through exercise as the body regenerates it with collagen. This is because training to increase the strength means the tendon has to also increase in size. Training to increase in size so that it does not snap and cause injury. The stretch of ligaments will also increase due to the increase of strength, as it needs to become more pliable to once again decrease the chance of snapping and causing injury, while also making the body more flexible and suited to anaerobic exercise. As we know, there are 6 types of synovial joints, but they are all surrounded by synovial fluid for lubrication and protection. Due to training, the protection of this fluid becomes stronger and more protective. This can help manage diseases like arthritis, as the stronger fluid stops the bones from rubbing against each other, causing pain, and also increases the range of movement. This can hugely increase sporting performance, as stronger bones allow for a reduced chance of injury, as well as the body becoming more flexible, meaning it can perform tasks better, like in the high jump for example, as their body would be able to bend further when they jump.